So first, if you have not got the update, please go ahead to this website. The link will be given below to download the latest OnePlus Nord update. That's 11.1.3. It is for 420 MB and it has some fixes for OnePlus Nord where people are facing the problem. That is in system, in network, in camera, and various other small bug fixes like they have fixed the issue for coupon and non issue of any improvement. Camera has been bumped up to the next version and May security patch is also given. And if you see, there are some versions over here like global version, EU version, and India version. Whichever is your device, you can go ahead and update according to that. You can, if you are already on 11.1.2, you can just download the incremental update below, or else the full update if you require to transition from 10 to 11. And once you go ahead and download this, it will be downloaded in an external folder in your phone. So go ahead and select it, cut it, and go to your internal storage and just paste it in the root directory. That's just outside, just copy paste. Simple as that. After that, click on settings, go below to system, click on that, and down you'll be seeing system updates. So it's in the old version, and in the right top you'll be able to see the gear icon. Click on that and go to local upgrade. So now you can see the update which I have pasted in the root folder. Click on that and install now. So it would take some time to go ahead and install this update completely. And till that time, you can just keep your phone aside while the download when all the installation starts. And now it's done. So all you have to do now is go ahead and reboot your system. So you can see the reboot option in the right, just click on that. So now it's rebooted, and now go to your settings and go to about over there, which is in the last most, and you'll be able to see it's been bumped up to 11.1.1.3 version, which is the latest version. And you can also go to the system and check the update. It will show you your system is up to date. And last but not the least, you can go to the security and check the security patch version also, which is for the 1st May 2021, and the play system is still in the April version, and even the camera is bumped up. So this is the easiest way you can go ahead and update in OnePlus, not the latest update.